I need a girl who give me that big fat jelly bumby. I need a girl who give me that naughty when I need. I need a girl who say it's alright when I'm in need. And this is not a go soon, and then you need a go too. You need a go.
Hey guys, it's your girl Sophia here, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a long time, but you know, it's just been a bit crazy, you know, just contemplating if I should be on YouTube or not. But it looks like I'm back, and today I'm showing you guys how to create a wig using a sewing machine. So the first thing you want to do is get one of your bundles and divide it into 3. So you got to fold it again, so there's 3 parts. And then obviously once you get equal sections, you want to cut it so you got 3 lines, if that makes sense. And when you sew things, you can do it on high speed or low speed. This is on the lowest speed, so I can just try and show you guys. But 2 of the 3 sections, you want to sew it together, if that makes sense. Yeah, it does make sense, because yeah, it does. For now, I'm showing you guys at the low speed, but I would say the more you do it, increase the speed, as you'll get more of a hang of it, and it will increase your efficiency and your work rate, you know, because you want to be making wigs in 30 minutes now. You also want to make sure that you're holding the wefts together, like I'm doing with 2 of my fingers, just to make sure that it's actually catching onto the needle and thread. Alright, so here you've seen that now I've increased the speed. This is actually the speed I sew on. You guys can see how fast it's going, but trust me, when you get used to it, it just gets better. So yeah. And also you want to make sure you cut the weft. Obviously I didn't do it freehand, but you know, you can do it this way as well. Okay, go on, do your job, Fred. Thanks. Alright. And if you've made it this far, make sure to subscribe, you know, leave a comment, like, share with friends. Just want to, you know, interact with you guys. And look how lovely that is. This is just double wefting, but we're going to triple weft because this is the bundle that's going at the bottom. So the one part that wasn't sewn goes at the bottom, and then the double weft track goes at the top, if that makes sense. And then how we will sew in the 2 together, we're just going to sew the 3 together. If you are stuck, just, you know, go back on this video and then just keep watching it. Also make sure to follow DreameusHair on Instagram and visit their website for the best quality hair out there, you know. Also make sure that their hair is not in the way, so you can get a seamless finish. Obviously didn't measure the tracks properly, but it happened. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really have to be perfect, as long as it's close in length. And that's how you triple weft a track. So in this video, you guys didn't see how I drew the guidelines and stuff, but if you want me to you know, create a video on that, just let me know, like, comment, yeah, put it in the comment section and I'll do that for you. I had a clip, but I just didn't like it, so I just deleted it. But this wig cap was custom made to my head, actually, so that's where you can see some stitching on the cap, because it was actually custom made to my head. So obviously when you're stitching on the wefts, you want to go backwards and forwards just to secure the track onto the wig. Make sure you don't stretch the cap out. But as you can see, I'm pulling it because obviously when I made the adjustments on the cap, it became bulky, so obviously the needle was getting stuck behind it, so I just had to, you know, help it a bit, just pull the tracks behind, not forward, just to get it past that stage. And like I did for the first track, you just want to repeat the process, but pause. As you can see, the needle is stuck, and I know this is a consistent problem that people have. So what you want to do is just pull the lever and just move it a bit forward, and then continue sewing. You can go back if you want, but I don't really do that. I just continue going. And as you can see, where I put the adjustments on the cap, it's obviously preventing the needle to go forward. So I just have to pull the wig a bit forward and then continue sewing. Once it gets past that stage, it's calm. If you don't have any adjustments within the wig cap, it's fine. But I just tried out a new adjustment technique on this wig. It was actually alright. It was still a bit flat. Alright, so this is the final stage of sewing the last track onto the wig. And this is the single weft. It's not doubled, it's not tripled, it's just a one weft. 1/9. You just want to join that onto the frontal. I tried to get a good angle, but it just didn't work out. But like I said before, if you're confused, just re-watch the video. And this is the final results, you know. Obviously the threads that's inside the cap, make sure you just clean up a bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.
I need a girl who give me that big fat jelly bumby. I need a girl who give me that naughty when I need.